I grew up in a rural farm town in Nebraska, and when you grow up in that lifestyle, you learn very quickly that hard work is a way of life. Everything I touch and build has a certain level of love, blood, sweat, and tears in it. I have been shopping at Menards since I was a kid. When we were little, my dad worked there, and I even worked there in college. So Menards has been a part of my life since I can remember. You know, you can't build something amazing if you don't have the right materials or tools, and Menards always has what I need. Kansas City, Missouri has these amazing, grand homes that just have this charm and this character. When I'm renovating a home, I feel like my job is to maintain the character of that home, but it's also to create a space that maximizes how people live in it today. When I stand back and look at what I've created, it's a humbling experience. You just, at the end of the day, put your head down, you work hard, and chase the dream.